Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to customize app icon in iPhone and iPad in iOS 15 and above without computer, Cydia and jailbreak. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, launch shortcut app. Now tap on plus in top right corner. Here we have to tap on add action. Now search for open apps. Choose or tap open app. Put the name that you want and tap done. Now tap on in front of open. Here we have to choose any application that you want to change or customize. I'm going to choose the YouTube. Now tap blue icon and tap add to home screen. Now tap on YouTube. Here you have a three option: choose file, choose photo, take photo. Choose anyone that you like. I'm going to choose that one and tap add. Here we go. Now you have YouTube app with change or customize icon that in front of you. Tap to open. The YouTube app is working. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.